Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. This is by MELONARE and is a stereo clarity. It's a wireless in-ear monitoring system, so you can be remotely and have some remote monitoring. So if you are doing like, I don't know, DJing or whatever, you can totally hear it from away. Boy, the plastic they use on this is extremely difficult. Okay, so there we go. So this is what it looks like here. It's kind of cool. The box has a little handle on it. Could have done it that way. And it says MELONARE wireless in-ear. Okay. So let's check out what we've got in here. As we open it up, we have a little instruction manual. And then we have these pieces and parts here. I'll show you guys them as we go through it. So here is going to be our base unit. So this is what it looks like here. It's got wire connectors in there. Looks like a BNC barrel kind of connector up there. We have our settings here for volume and connections, I guess. IR connector. We have a power adapter for this particular device. Power adapter will be in there. Looks like it powers by 12 volt, 12 to 18 volts. We have our antenna here. This is going to be our base station antenna, which is going to connect up into here. There we go. Now we have an antenna. We have our wireless microphone here. So this is going to be our wireless part that we'll have. And it looks like we've got the headphone jack right up top there, so we could have our in-ear headphones on that. And it looks like it even comes with that, so there we go. Okay, it comes with some batteries, which I assume are going to be for this. Indeed it is, so our two batteries will go in there. Got a little plastic cover over here. There we go. Does this have plastic? No. Okay. So there, now we are. Okay, batteries are there. We have our system here. There would be our on button there. We can see our settings. We're not connected to anything at the moment because our receiver system's over here. So in this box, the container here, we have, well, it comes with a bunch of screws if we wanted to have this mounted. So we could mount this device. It comes with even a mounting bracket here. So if this was going in a rack system, we could mount it into the rack with these here. We could mount it up here onto something. You can see it go this way. Mount it like that. Or we can mount it somewhere on a bigger one. There, so it'll be on that side there, this side here, so we can mount it in a, I guess that'll fit a probably a 19-inch rack. Okay. And then we have here, we have our little earpiece, which, comes with some extra little fuzzy things, the little parts that buzz that go in your ear. So it's gonna have this, will go in here. These will go into your ear for the monitoring. And we have the wire that will connect from, this is a extension wire, it looks like, for the antenna. So if you're in a rack, I guess you don't want the antenna sticking in the rack. It gives you the ability to plug this into the antenna and have the wire that's somewhere else. And then we have our left and right inputs, so we can have our connectors in there for our wires for our sound. So that's what's going to give us all of that. We can do, what is this? Oh, that's just a place to hook the wire up. I'm like, what is that thing? But okay. And then, so we can set it for 0 decibels or minus 12 decibels of that setting there. So we just have settings there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in. We're not going to be able to connect it up to a stereo or an audio right now. But I'll show you guys what it all will do right here. Okay. So, power. And then from that, it should connect up to here. And then we can adjust our different settings and things from here. It looks like we're set for 912.300. So we have a lot of different settings, different channels to set it to. And then it looks like as we change it on here, we would just need to change it on here as well. Yeah, but let me just change this to the same 912.300. We're at. Yeah, but you get the idea. You'll just kind of set them, have them synchronized on the same channel, and you'll be able to then hear what audio is going in from here. You also have a headphone jack here, so you just plug right into it as well. So a nice, cool little setup here. So this will give you all your audio that you need there. Here's stereo in-ear monitoring system. So if you're running a concert or a show or just any kind of audio system, you'll be able to monitor it as it goes. So if you're sitting in the back, you can still be able to hear it and be able to be synchronized. So cool. All the different settings, but totally a nice little system here. Thumbs up for sure.